Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the live server version and creating a full backup, include configs and world data. Next, download the target Scalacube server build and its checksum, then validate the file to avoid corrupt installs. While you do that, make sure Docker or the host environment matches the new version requirements. Update Docker if needed. Once these steps are done, stop non-essential services to free resources and prepare for the migration sequence without risking live data changes. You stop the running server gracefully and export any active sessions. This prevents corruption. Then, replace the server binary or pull the updated container image and update your Docker Compose or Start script accordingly. After replacement, run the included migration commands or flags that update world or database schemas. Migrations can be slow, so monitor logs. Make sure to preserve permissions and ownership on files. Once migrations finish, start the new server and verify initial logs for successful module loads. You finish by confirming the server boots fully and watching the console for load time errors. Verify the reported version and module versions match expectations. Then run focus tests on critical gameplay paths and plugins to ensure compatibility. Validate saves and permissions. If issues appear, stop the server and roll back immediately using your backup. This is faster than prolonged troubleshooting. Finally, once stable, announce the update window closed and keep incremental backups for the next patch cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.